Come join me to show you step by step how I created this green sparkly magical eye look. I'm going to start by prepping my base to give me a good base for the shadows to stick on, and I'm using Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. Then I'm going to start mapping out where I want my green, and I'm using a green pencil. I'm using one from ColourPop. I'm slowly blending it with a brush, and I'm adding it to the outer corner and creating a wing, and also in the inner corner where the tear duct is. This is going to give me a nice colorful base for my eyeshadows to stick. And then I'm going in with a green shadow. I'm using one from P. Louise and tapping it in the outer corner and slowly blending it upwards. I'm taking a lighter color and I'm using the 50-50 method, meaning 50% of the shadow of the lighter green shadow goes on the bare skin and the other one over the darker green. I'm going to blend my corners also towards the inner center of the eye just to give me that nice fade. And now I'm going to use a golden sparkly pigment from Moon Bunny Cosmetics, and I'm adding it in the center of the moving lid. And now I'm going to go to the fun part where I'm going to add the rhinestones. I'm adding my glue, and then using a nail tool, I'm just placing my gemstones. The reason I'm adding the glue directly on the skin is so I don't dip the rhinestones in the glue to make them foggy and get them dirty. Moving on to the lower lid, I'm going in with the same green pencil, blending it and smoking it out, and then I'm going to set it with the same shadows that I used on the top lid, and now look is